Hi everyone! Are you tired of ads showing up everywhere on your Android phone? Today I will show you how to reduce most of them without installing any extra apps or using any special software. We'll turn off ad notifications, personalized ads, promotional emails, and a few hidden settings that many Android users never change. Most people don't even know these options exist. Welcome to SmartThings, and let's get started. One of the first places we need to check is the Play Store. Open Play Store on your phone. In the top right corner, tap your profile picture. Scroll down and open Personalization in Play. Here you will find Play Personalization and History. On my phone, the setting is called Personalize Play. When this feature is turned on, Google keeps track of the apps you install, the apps you search for, and your activity in the Play Store. This information can be used to personalize recommendations and ads. If you don't want that, tap on this option. Turn the switch off and select Turn Off. Now go back to the main page of Play Store. Tap your profile picture again. Open Manage Apps and Device. Next, tap Manage. Change this device to Not Installed. If you don't see any apps, change the name option to Recently Updated. Here you will see apps that were installed on your phone in the past. If you no longer need this history, you can remove the apps from the list. Don't worry, you can always download them again later if you need them. Now, go back once again. Tap your profile picture, open Settings, then open General. Next, open Account and Device Preferences. Find emails from Google Play. This option allows Google Play to send you emails with news, recommendations, and special offers. If you don't want these emails, simply turn this feature off. Go back. Now open Google Play Store Feedback. Here you will find answer surveys about Play Store. If you don't want survey invitations sent to your email, turn this option off as well. Now go back again. Open Notifications. Find deals and promotions. If this option is enabled, Google Play can send promotional notifications directly to your phone. If you don't want these notifications, turn this feature off. Now let's move to one of the most important settings in this video. Open Settings, tap Search in the top right corner. Type Ads. Open Ads. Then tap Ads again. Open Ad Privacy. Here you will find three important options: Add Topics, Add Suggested Ads, Add Measurement. Turn off all three of them. Now go back. Tap Reset Advertising ID. Confirm your choice. After that, tap Delete Advertising ID. Confirm it again. There is one more setting I always change on every Android phone. Go back to the main settings, tap Search again. This time type DNS. Open Private DNS, select Private DNS Provider Hostname. Type dns.edgeguard.com. Then tap Save. That's it. These settings only take a few minutes to change, but they can make your phone much less distracting and help reduce unwanted ads. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to SmartThings for more simple Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.